Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Titan007, and today we're diving into the magic of Christmas with these adorable and delicious hot chocolate bombs. Whether you're making them as gifts or just treating yourself, these are the perfect festive delight. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of high-quality chocolate, hot cocoa mix, mini marshmallows, optional crushed candy canes or sprinkles, tools, silicone molds, microwave-safe bowls, and a few essentials for melting and sealing chocolate. To melt the chocolate, you can choose the microwave method, short bursts with stirring, or use a double boiler for more control. Either way, melt until smooth. Coat your silicone molds evenly with melted chocolate. Chill for 10 minutes, add a second layer, and chill again. Gently pop them out once set. Fill 1/2 shell with cocoa mix and marshmallows. Seal the halves together using a warm plate, then smooth any gaps with extra chocolate. Now for the fun part. Drizzle chocolate and sprinkle crushed candy canes or festive decorations for that magical Christmas look. To enjoy, place a bomb in your mug, pour in hot milk, and watch the magic happen. Stir well and top with whipped cream for extra indulgence. I hope you loved this fun and festive tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. Have a magical Christmas season, and I'll see you in the next video.